The next place, as I told you, is where the giraffes are. So we are going to visit the giraffe. Come follow me. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this so beautiful? So these are the giraffes. These are where they are, and we have three of them here. They are very huge and tall, and with the giraffes, because they have these long necks. You see how the feed is. So that's there has some water in it, and we have some dry grasses in it there, and this is where they eat from. They can eat kilos of wheat a day, and it's so magnificent. It's so magnificent. Now, if you look down there, we have the African wolf dog. That is the African wolf dog, and they are also able to blend with a giraffe. And one exciting thing is when these giraffes are eating the weeds, the grasses that drop from the floor, the wolf dog makes a meal of that, and that is so exciting, and that is fantastic. So this is it. This is it where the giraffes are, and it's an exciting place. They are so comfortable here. The place is very spacious, and they can move around. There are a lot of people who are also visiting the place. You can see. I think later in the afternoon they will open this door here, one of the doors for the giraffe to just move around the open space and just walk around. But because it's been raining, I think that is why they are kept here. Again, this is the wild place in Bristol. This is the wild place in Bristol. It's so exciting to be here. It's fantastic. And this is a metallic sculpture of the giraffe. So we have the smaller one and the tall one. This is a metallic sculpture of the giraffe. Okay. Now, if you look here, so this is called the Codopharm Giraffe. Okay, the Codopharm Giraffe, and describing this species of the giraffe, it says Codopharm giraffe species, they number less than 2,000 individuals across West Central Africa. It means that these animals are in danger. They are endangered animals according to the IUCN Red List. These animals are endangered. They say its inhabitants, some of the most unstable regions in the world. They are found in countries like Chad, the Central African Republic, the Northern Cameroon area, Democratic Republic of Congo. These are the few countries in Africa that the Codopharm giraffes are found, and they are endangered. Currently, there are only 2,000 species left on the planet, and they are in only these few countries in Africa. Conservation of threatened species is difficult under the best circumstances, but protecting species in areas with significant political and socio-economical challenges in this region that lack enforced laws is even more difficult. It's our responsibility as custodian of this planet to protect these animals. It is the responsibility of you and I to protect these animals. These are fantastic animals, they're exciting to be with. They show how nature is, they show how God created the earth. It's our responsibility to protect these animals. Come, let's go to the next place. So this is an open place. So when they open this place here, this door, this is the room where, or the building where the giraffes are kept. So when they open here, the giraffes then move to this open place, okay, and they just walk about. They feed on these trees, the leaves, and they just walk about here, and it is a fantastic sight to see. We will get closer to those animals there and explore those animals too. It's so fantastic. Now let me describe the giraffes here more. Good. So the giraffe here, the scientific name of giraffe, who knows it? Let me tell you. So it is called Giraffa camelopardalis. Giraffa camelopardalis. It has remembered my days in high school when I used to pursue agri science. Okay, so they are found in central southern part of Africa, and you say why the long neck? With that long neck, giraffe can reach high leaves. Okay, so with the long neck they can reach high leaves. They keep a lookout for predators and fight in necking battles. They have only 7 neck vertebrae, just like we have, but each bone grows to 25 centimeters long. 25 centimeters. So they have only 7 neck vertebrae, but each bone grows up to 25 centimeters long. Isn't that exciting? And that is another new thing I have learned myself, and I believe you have learned too. They are heavy-hearted. Every minute, a giraffe heart has to pump 60 liters of blood. Oh my God, 60 liters every minute. So every minute their heart pumps out to 60 liters of blood around its body and way up to its head, 2 meters above. It does this with the blood pressure twice of that of a human. So, okay, so if a human being is to have a giraffe's blood pressure, we will say that human being is hypertensive, but the giraffe is not hypertensive. No head rush. Okay, good. Now to prevent sudden blood pressure changes, lowering and raising its head, elasticated blood vessels, and one-way valves control the flow. Okay, so when it lower and raises its head, it helps to regulate its blood pressure. This is also another new thing that I have learned. Now let's remember, giraffes are endangered species. They are vulnerable, and this species of giraffe, we are left with 2,000 of them on planet Earth. So it is our responsibility to protect them. We don't have to let them vanish off the surface of this planet. I mean, we don't have to let this giraffe go into extinction. Okay, so that is it.